But if it's a digital, I don't know how you would be able to transfer. I guess transfer from the computer, the camcorder. Oh, she's doing a dump. Oh, I got.
All right. Try
You're
this
not
again.
getting me in it though. Go play. Go play. Hey, it's nice and clean out here. Where's your toy? Where's your toy? Oh. Boy, Sammy, yours are big. Whose toy? Whose toy? Whose toy? Go get it. Go get it. Now let's see close to the... Oh, yes, let's go. Bring it here. Bring it here. Lily, where you going? Who wants a heel? Heel. No. Lily, look, look. Lily, look, look. Oh, not in front of me. You're such a good girl. Sammy, you going to try? Are you going to try? Come here. Sammy. Sammy. Here you go. Heel. Come on, no, heel. I'm trying to teach her. Here, Lily. That's a good girl. Good girl. Yeah. What is it with you two? You're not playing.
Oh!
Look, water. Water. Lily, look, 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 look. Water. No, no, Come get some water. No, Lily, here, some water. She don't want any. Lily, here's some water. Here's some water. No? You don't want some water? Here, Sammy. Here, Sammy. No, no, Sammy. Come here, Sammy. Here, Lily. Here. That's it. Oh, you drank from the hose before. Here. She's such a Diane. Like I said, she's got a selfish life. You know why they made it up also? They became a little bit too rough with each other. I think more, and I blame more on Lily too, because Sammy's fast on her feet. So Lily gets frustrated and decides, I'm going to hold you down and grab you. So
Well,
they stop playing.
That's because my dog's better looking than yours, John.
You think, bitch. That's why everybody comes up to me and says, oh my God, they can't believe how beautiful she is. It's like you win her heart. She knows how to con somebody out of anything. Nope, hair is flying and it looks like Lily's hair. Somebody's getting the better of somebody here. Or somebody needs a good brushing. Gentle, gentle. Whoop. Gentle, gentle. Not in the garden. Whoa. Gentle, gentle. No, up, up, up. Off, off, off. Good girl. Because the combination was slower. And I wanted the faster one. And then I wanted 2 bays for CDs. It's nice when you have 2. Oh, look at you. Oh, my God. How many...